Artificial intelligence is changing the world. From healthcare to transportation, AI is revolutionizing various industries. But one of the most exciting areas where AI is making a significant impact is in construction and architecture. It's also changing how we build things. Traditional methods are being enhanced with AI-driven technologies, making the construction process more efficient and innovative. AI can help engineers design better buildings. By using advanced algorithms, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize building designs for both functionality and aesthetics. It can make buildings stronger and safer. AI can predict potential structural issues and suggest improvements, ensuring that buildings can withstand natural disasters and other challenges. One area where AI is making a big difference is in the design of cantilevers. These structures are crucial for modern architecture, allowing for innovative and daring designs. A cantilever is a structure that sticks out without support from below. This design is not only visually striking but also highly functional in various architectural applications. Think of a balcony or a bridge. These are common examples of cantilevers that we encounter in our daily lives, showcasing the practical use of this architectural feature. AI is helping engineers to design cantilevers that are longer and stronger than ever before. By simulating various conditions, AI can optimize the materials and design for maximum efficiency and safety. This is leading to some amazing new buildings. The integration of AI in construction is paving the way for architectural marvels that were once thought impossible, transforming our skylines and living spaces.
Designing cantilevers is hard. Engineers need to consider many factors. These factors include weight, stress, and wind load. AI can help with all of this. AI can analyze huge amounts of data. It can find patterns that humans might miss. This helps engineers understand how different forces will affect a cantilever. AI can also generate new designs. It can even test these designs in virtual simulations. This means that engineers can try out many different ideas quickly and easily.
AI-designed cantilevers are already being used in some amazing buildings. These structures are not only visually stunning but also incredibly functional, pushing the boundaries of modern architecture. By leveraging advanced algorithms, architects can create designs that were previously unimaginable. For example, a new airport terminal in Dubai uses AI-designed cantilevers to support its roof. This innovative design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the terminal, but also improves its structural integrity. The use of AI in architecture is revolutionizing the way we think about building design. This allows the terminal to have a very open and spacious feel. Natural light floods the interior, creating a welcoming and comfortable environment for travelers. The open design also facilitates better air circulation, contributing to a more pleasant experience. AI is also being used to design cantilevers for bridges.